If your legs feel weaker than they used to, if you struggle to climb stairs, stand up from a chair, or you notice your thighs and calves just don't have the power they once did, this is not just aging. This is your body sending you a distress signal. And most people completely ignore it until it's too late. Here's something your doctor might not have told you. Leg muscle loss can begin as early as your 30s. And by the time most people notice it, they've already lost a significant amount of strength and function. We call this sarcopenia, the silent muscle thief, and it is one of the leading reasons older adults lose their independence, fall, and end up hospitalized. But here's the good news. What you eat every single morning can either fight this process or accelerate it. And today, I'm counting down 5 of the most powerful foods you can eat first thing in the morning to protect, rebuild, and strengthen your leg muscles. Starting at number 5 and working our way down to number 1. Now, I'll tell you right now, number 1 on this list is the most important one. It's the one food that targets the deepest layer of muscle loss at a cellular level, and most people have never even thought about it in this context. So stay with me all the way to the end, because number 1 might completely change how you approach your mornings. Let's count it down. Number 5. Eggs. We're starting at number 5 with one of the most complete muscle-building foods on the planet, and it's probably already sitting in your refrigerator right now. Eggs. Now, you've heard eggs are good for you, but let me show you what actually happens inside your leg muscles when you eat eggs in the morning. Your leg muscles, the quadriceps, the hamstrings, the calves, the glutes, are made of millions of muscle fibers called myofibrils. These fibers break down constantly through the wear and tear of daily movement. To rebuild them, your body needs amino acids, the building blocks of protein, and eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. But here's what makes eggs special for legs specifically. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of leucine, and leucine is the single most important amino acid for triggering muscle protein synthesis. Think of leucine as the ignition key for muscle repair. Without enough leucine in the morning, your body struggles to shift into muscle-building mode, no matter how active you are. 2 large eggs give you roughly 1.5 grams of leucine, which is a meaningful portion of the 2 to 3 grams per meal researchers say you need to maximize muscle repair. And the yolk? Don't skip it. The yolk contains vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats, all of which support muscle nerve function and hormone balance, both of which are critical for maintaining leg strength as you age. So if you're not starting your morning with at least 2 whole eggs, your legs are working against a deficit before your day even begins. Number 4, Greek yogurt. Number 4 is a food that packs a serious 1-2 punch for your leg muscles, and it works in a way that most people don't expect. Greek yogurt. Now here's the thing about muscle loss in your legs. It doesn't just happen because you're not eating enough protein. It also happens because of chronic low-grade inflammation inside the muscle tissue. Over time, this inflammation degrades the muscle fibers faster than your body can rebuild them. And that's when you start feeling that weakness, that heaviness, that loss of power in your legs. Greek yogurt fights on both fronts. First, the protein. A single cup of full-fat Greek yogurt can contain anywhere from 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, including both fast-digesting whey and slow-digesting casein. The combination of both types means your leg muscles receive a steady flow of amino acids, not just a quick spike. This is especially important in the morning, when your body has been fasting through the night and muscle breakdown is at its highest. Second, the probiotics. The live cultures inside Greek yogurt, Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium strains, actively reduce systemic inflammation in the body. When inflammation in your gut decreases, inflammation in your muscles decreases with it. Researchers have found a direct gut-muscle connection, sometimes called the gut-muscle axis. And Greek yogurt is one of the most accessible foods that supports this pathway. Add a small drizzle of honey and some walnuts on top, and you've just turned your morning snack into a serious leg strength protocol. Number 3, oats. At number 3, we have a food that most people eat in the morning for energy, but very few people understand just how deeply it protects and fuels your leg muscles at a physiological level. Oats. Your leg muscles are the largest muscle group in your entire body. They are power hungry. When you wake up in the morning, your glycogen stores, the stored fuel inside your muscles, are partially depleted. If you don't replenish them with the right carbohydrates, your body will actually begin breaking down your own muscle tissue to generate energy. And which muscles does it pull from first? The large muscles, your legs. Oats solve this problem with precision. Oats are a complex, slow-digesting carbohydrate. When you eat oats in the morning, your blood glucose rises gradually, not in a spike. This steady rise keeps your insulin levels stable, which is critical because insulin is the hormone that drives nutrients, including amino acids, directly into your muscle cells. Without a stable insulin response, even the protein you eat struggles to get into the muscles where it's needed. But here's where oats go even further. Oats contain a specific type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Research shows that beta-glucan reduces levels of cortisol, your stress hormone. And cortisol, when chronically elevated, is one of the primary drivers of muscle breakdown in the legs. High cortisol literally signals your body to dismantle muscle tissue for fuel. Eating oats in the morning is like building a protective wall around your leg muscles before your day even starts. Cook them with milk instead of water for extra protein. Top them with banana slices for potassium, and you've got a morning meal that your legs will thank you for. Number 2, salmon. We are at number 2, and this one is powerful. If you've been ignoring this food, your leg muscles have been paying the price in silence. Salmon. Let me take you deep into what's happening inside your leg muscles as you age. Inside every muscle cell, you have structures called mitochondria, the energy factories of the cell. As you get older, these mitochondria become damaged and less efficient. When that happens, your muscles can't generate force the way they used to. The result? Weaker legs, slower movement, less power when you need it most. Salmon is one of the few foods that directly targets mitochondrial health inside your muscle cells. Here's how. Salmon is the richest dietary source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These omega-3s have been shown in clinical research to increase the rate of muscle protein synthesis, reduce inflammation inside muscle tissue, and, crucially, protect and even restore mitochondrial function in aging muscles. A 2020 study published in the journal Frontiers in Physiology found that omega-3 supplementation significantly improved muscle strength and functional performance in older adults. But the most effective way to get those omega-3s is through whole food sources, not supplements, and salmon delivers more per serving than almost anything else. But that's not all. Salmon is also loaded with vitamin D, one of the most critical nutrients for leg muscle function. Vitamin D binds to receptors directly inside your muscle fibers and regulates how much force they can generate. Studies show that people with low vitamin D levels experience significantly greater leg muscle weakness and a higher risk of falls. A 3-ounce serving of wild-caught salmon in the morning, whether in a breakfast bowl, scrambled into eggs, or eaten simply with avocado, delivers omega-3s, vitamin D, and high-quality protein in one package. Your legs need this food. Make it a habit. And we have arrived at number 1. I told you at the beginning that this would be the most important food on this list. And I want you to understand why. Not just what, but why. Because this food works at a level that nothing else on this list touches. Number 1 is beets, also called beetroot. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Beets? Really? But stay with me, because the science behind what beets do for your leg muscles is genuinely remarkable. Here's the issue that most people never talk about. The real reason legs get weaker as we age isn't just about protein or inflammation. It's about blood flow. Specifically, it's about how efficiently oxygen-rich blood is being delivered to your leg muscles during activity. Your leg muscles, especially during walking, climbing stairs, or exercise, have enormous oxygen demands. When blood flow to those muscles is restricted, which happens naturally as blood vessels stiffen with age, your muscles literally cannot perform. They fatigue faster, they hurt more, and they shrink over time because the nutrients they need can't reach them efficiently. This is where beets do something extraordinary. Beets are the highest natural dietary source of nitrates. When you eat beets, those nitrates are converted in your body into nitric oxide, a molecule that signals the walls of your blood vessels to relax and widen. This process is called vasodilation. And what happens when your blood vessels widen? Blood flow to your legs surges. Oxygen delivery to your muscle fibers increases dramatically. The nutrients, the amino acids from your eggs and Greek yogurt, the omega-3s from your salmon, can now flood into your muscle cells instead of being blocked at the door. A landmark study from the University of Exeter showed that drinking beet juice before exercise reduced the oxygen cost of physical activity by up to 19%, meaning your leg muscles could work harder for longer on the same amount of oxygen. Another study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that older adults who consumed dietary nitrates from beets showed significant improvements in leg muscle power output. But beets don't stop there. Beets also contain betalains, the compounds that give them their deep red color. Betalains are potent anti-inflammatory agents that specifically reduce oxidative stress inside muscle tissue. Less oxidative stress means less muscle breakdown, and beets are rich in folate, which supports new cell production, including the satellite cells that regenerate damaged muscle fibers. The best way to get beets into your morning? Blend them raw into a smoothie with banana and ginger, juice them fresh, or eat them roasted the night before so they're ready to add to your breakfast bowl in the morning. If you take one thing from this entire video, make it this. Beets before your day starts could be the single most powerful daily habit for anyone who is serious about protecting and rebuilding their leg strength.